So this laptop had an accident a few weeks ago. My friend was bragging about how cool his MacBook is, and after running just 1 hour of Affinity, this laptop had gotten absolutely hot. So he was switching around, he was fiddling around with this laptop, and the laptop fell from his hand. So what exactly happened is it fell on this Logitech dongle, the USB dongle. It was attached on this port, and it fell on exactly this side. So fortunately and unfortunately, fortunately there was no cosmetic damage whatsoever on this laptop, even when the laptop fell from a meter above. But unfortunately, the daughter board on this side absolutely broke. Breaking a daughter board was better than breaking the motherboard on this side, as it would have cost me, rather than changing the motherboard, I would have bought another laptop altogether. So I called Acer, and after a lot of no, the service center had to say that they don't have the daughter board with them. I was pretty surprised. I had asked other third party vendors also, but they too didn't have this exact mother daughter board which I wanted. So after a couple of days, the Acer guys called me that the part was available at their Bangalore godown or something. So they shipped me the product, and rather than getting fixed from themselves, I was pretty confident that I would try for it myself without breaking my laptop, hopefully. But let's see. So this is the exact daughter board what I am talking about. I'll show you in the while what exactly has broken from this. So let's start from taking all the screws out from here. So a warning, keep the screws safe. They should be collected in a single plate or a bowl so that you don't lose them, and you'll be needing them after the repair is done.
Once the back plate is off, you can see all the components. You have to make sure that you disconnect your batteries first of all, so that there's no flowing current in the circuitry. Then you can proceed to removing the ribbon cable. There is a clip, a small black clip. It needs to be disconnected first, and then you can slot out the ribbon cable carefully. There will be a screw above the ribbon cable which you need to unscrew, but I suggest you to unscrew it after taking out the ribbon cable, as it will be more sturdier for your hands to remove the ribbon cable. After both of those things, the component will be out easily, and as you can see on my daughter board, that's the crack there. That's where the most impact the board took, and it snapped like a Kit Kat. And I am replacing it with the newer one, which is the exact component which I borrowed from Acer. So you need to be very careful placing it. You have to look at the orientation of how it needs to be placed. Place it gently, it won't be a difficult task. Then screw in the screw, and the ribbon cable needs to be firmly attached into the ribbon cable slot. After firmly securing your ribbon cable and component, don't forget about your batteries. Plug the connector right in, and there you are done with the repair. So put on your lid and give it a try. I powered my laptop on and it booted off smoothly, no initial problem as such. And when I tried plugging in both my USB and the auxiliary, both of them worked. The mouse worked just fine and the audio jack was working again.